Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Friday, 13th February, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. stock markets closed sharply lower yesterday, with broad weakness extending across major benchmarks as investors rotated out of growth and technology shares. The S&P 500 declined about 1.6%, the Nasdaq Composite fell around 2%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average eased roughly 1.3%, reflecting broad selling pressure and risk-off sentiment. Asian equities opened mostly lower this morning, as global risk-off sentiment continued after sharp declines in U.S. markets overnight and persistent macro concerns. The Hang Seng and Nikkei fell, while the Kospi gained in early trading. Gift Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 25,714, thereby indicating a negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices remained firm, but slightly lower, drifting down from recent peaks amid improved risk sentiment and signs of easing geopolitical premiums. Gold prices have eased modestly after recent volatility, with bullion retreating from elevated levels as the U.S. dollar firmed and some risk-off flows subsided following earlier sharp rallies. ONGC reported a strong Q3 performance with consolidated profit rising 22.6% YOY to 11,946 crore rupees, supported by a sharp 37% jump in other income, while revenue remained largely flat. The board also announced an interim dividend of 6 rupees and 25 paise per share. IRCTC posted steady growth in Q3, with profit up 15.6% YOY to 394 crore rupees and revenue rising 18.4% to 1,449 crore rupees. The results reflect continued strength across its ticketing, catering, and tourism businesses. Kumar Infraprojects secured a 615.53 crore rupees redevelopment project from NBCC for the GPRA colony at Netaji Nagar, New Delhi. The order win is expected to strengthen its order book and execution pipeline. Following the sharp sell-off seen in the U.S., especially in the tech sector, Nifty is expected to open lower today, similar to most other Asian markets today. Supports for now can be placed at 25,700 followed by 25,585, while resistance in case of a positive move will be at 25,900. Indian equity markets may face pressure from lingering global risk-off sentiment after sharp U.S. and Asian sell-offs, renewed volatility in commodities, and cautious foreign institutional flows, which could keep sentiment subdued and trading choppy. On the upside, markets could find support from strong corporate earnings, safe haven inflows into gold amid macro uncertainty, positive domestic data or policy cues, and any stabilization in global risk appetite that encourages fresh buying. Yesterday, FIIs were net buyers of about 108 crore rupees, while DIIs were also net buyers of around 277 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on February 13, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.